A very good morning to all dear parents and my dear students. Once again, welcome to online classes of Erudite School of Learning, Fatehnagar. Class Junior KG, Subject English. Today we will do the revision of cursive letters. आज हम क्या करेंगे students? आज हम cursive letters का revision करेंगे. Now take out your pencil and eraser and hold your pencil like this. कैसे पेंसिल पकड़नी है स्टूडेंट्स आपको? लाइक दिस. नाउ फर्स्ट लेटर इज ए फॉर एप्पल. नाउ पुट योर पेंसिल ऑन द ब्लू लाइन. पेंसिल कहाँ रखनी है बच्चों? ब्लू लाइन. ड्रॉ अ स्लैंटिंग लाइन फ्रॉम ब्लू लाइन टू द रेड लाइन. वन मोर स्लैंटिंग लाइन and a loop between these two lines. This is letter A. A for apple. A for apple. What is the spelling of apple? Speak with me. A P P L E. Apple. Now E for apple के बाद कौन सा लेटर आता है स्टूडेंट्स? नेक्स्ट लेटर इज B. B for ball. B for ball. Now put your pencil on a dot. Draw a slanting line. One more slanting line and a curve, a small loop and one more curve. This is letter B. B for ball. B for ball. What is the spelling of ball? Speak with me. B A L L. Ball. Now B for ball के बाद कौन सा लेटर आता है? नेक्स्ट लेटर इज C. C for cat. C for cat. Now put your pencil on a blue line. Draw a curve and a semicircle. This is letter C. C for cat. What is the spelling of cat? C A T. Cat. Now C for cat के बाद what is the next letter? D. D for duck. D for duck. Put your pencil on a dot. Draw a slanting line, a small loop and a semicircle. This is letter D. D for duck. What is the spelling of duck? D U C K. Duck. Now what is the next letter? D for duck के बाद कौन सा लेटर आता है? The next letter is E. E for elephant. E for elephant. Now draw with me a curve, a semicircle, one more semicircle. This is letter E. E for elephant. What is the spelling of elephant? Speak with me. E L E P H A N T. Elephant. Now what is the next letter? E for elephant के बाद कौन सा लेटर आता है स्टूडेंट्स? F. F for fish. F for fish. Now put your pencil on a red line. Draw a curved line like this and a slanting line from red line to the blue line and last is sleeping line. आपको लास्ट में क्या बनानी है? Sleeping line. F for fish. What is the spelling of fish? Speak with me. F I S H. Fish. Now what is the next letter? F for fish के बाद कौन सा लेटर आता है स्टूडेंट्स? G. G for grapes. G for grapes. Now draw with me a curved line, a semicircle, a slanting line, a curve. This is letter G. G for grapes. What is the spelling of grapes? G R A P E S. Grapes. Now, what is the next letter? H. H for house. H for house. Now, draw a curve, a slanting line, one more slanting line, and a loop between these two lines. This is letter H. H for house. What is the spelling of house? Speak with me. H O U S E. House. Now H for house के बाद next letter कौन सा आता है? What is the next letter, students? I. I for igloo. I for igloo. Now put your pencil on a blue line. Draw a curve, slanting line, one more slanting line, and a curve. This is letter I. I for igloo. What is the spelling of igloo? Igloo की spelling क्या होती है, students? Speak with me. I G L O O. Igloo. Now, what is the next letter after the I? The next letter is J. J for joker. I के बाद कौन सा लेटर आता है, students? J. J for joker. Now, put your pencil here. Draw a curve, a slanting line, one more curve. This is letter J. J for joker. What is the spelling of joker? Speak with me. J O K E R. Joker. Now, what is the next letter? K. K for kite. K for kite. Now, draw with me a curve, a slanting line, again a curve, one more curve, a loop, then again a curve. This is letter K. K for kite. What is the spelling of kite? K I T E. Kite. Now, what is the next letter? L. K for kite के बाद कौन सा लेटर आता है, स्टूडेंट्स? L. L for lion. L for lion. Now put your pencil on a blue line. Draw a curved line, then a loop, one more loop, then a curved line. This is letter L. L for lion. What is the spelling of lion? L I O N. Lion. Now, what is the next letter? L for lion के बाद कौन सा लेटर आता है, स्टूडेंट्स? M. M for monkey. M for monkey. Now, M for monkey कैसे लिखते हैं बच्चों? पिछले वीडियो में आपने रिवीजन किया था ना. नेक्स्ट आपको क्या करना है? 4 स्लैंटिंग लाइंस बनाकर लेटर M बनाना है. ओके, M for monkey. See here, draw a curve, a slanting line, one more slanting line, one more, and this is last. M for monkey. What is the spelling of monkey? M O N K E Y. Monkey. Now, again write a slanting line, one more, and last. This is letter M. M for monkey. Again write with me. Slanting line, one more slanting line. There are 4 slanting lines. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. M for monkey. M for monkey. Now again write with me. Slanting line, one more, and last. M for monkey. What is the spelling of monkey? Speak with me. M O N K E Y. Monkey. What is the spelling of monkey? Again speak with me. M O N K E Y. Monkey. Now again write with me. Letter M. How to write letter M? There are 4 slanting lines. M for monkey. Again write with me. M. This is the last slanting line. There are 4 slanting lines. Now again last one. Write with me. Slanting line. One more, and this is the last. M for monkey. Now what you have to do? In homework you have to do practice of cursive letters and click a picture of it. Send it to the school WhatsApp number. Okay. This is your homework. Till then, take care and keep studying.